Hello class 6 students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. I am Monica Bajaj, your science teacher, and today we will discuss about your unit first, food. Chapter number 1, food, where does it come from? All living organisms need food to live and grow. Food is one of our basic needs. To perform or to do any work, we need energy. This energy comes from food that we eat. Thus, food acts as a fuel for all living organisms and helps them to do various day-to-day activities efficiently. Need for food. Food helps us in various ways. Food provides energy for various activities of the body. Food provides the materials for growth. If we do not take balanced diet, we cannot remain healthy. Food enables our body to fight diseases and protect us from infections. Food enables the body to repair and replace its worn out tissues. The substance present in the food that provide the nourishment essential for the growth and maintenance of the body are called nutrients. Now we will see an extra mile. Saffron kesar is obtained from the leaves of crocus flower. Food varieties. See figure 1.1. It shows the different types of food eaten by us. See these pictures. Certain facts about food. There is a lot of variety in food we eat. We eat different food items at different times of the day. Food eaten at breakfast, lunch and dinner is different. People from different states in India eat different kinds of food. Food ingredients. Some food items are made up of just one or two ingredients, while others are made up of many ingredients. An ingredient is one of the component or substance that is used to make a food item. Example of ingredients in some food items. Food items. Roti, ingredients. Atta and water. Second, rice, rice grains and water. Dal, pulses, water, salt, spices, turmeric and oil. Next one is kheer. Rice, water, milk, sugar, cardamom and almond, etc. Dhokla. Gram flour, baking soda. Dosa, idli or vada, rice, urad dal and oil. Food habits of animals. Different animals have different feeding habits. Based on their feeding habits, animals can be divided into three groups. Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Herbivorous. Herbivorous, herbi means plant, whereas vor means eater, are those animals which eat only plant and plant products. Cow, horse, elephant, sheep, squirrel, etc. are some herbivorous animals. See these examples of herbivorous animals. Next is carnivorous. Carni means meat, whereas vor means eater. Those animals which eat only flesh or other animals are carnivorous, like lion, tiger, eagle, vulture, etc. are some carnivorous. Carnivores are also known as predators, and the animals they kill are called prey. Huge-sized carnivores like tiger, leopard, lion, etc. have sharp and curved teeth, strong jaws and claws to kill, hold and tear their prey. A few animals like the snakes and frogs have long tongues and small teeth to catch their prey. These are some pictures of carnivorous animals. Next one is omnivorous. Omnivorous. Omni, all, whereas vor means eater. Omnivorous are those animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Bear, cow, dog, human beings, etc. are some omnivorous. They have body parts that can consume both types of foods. See these pictures of some omnivorous animals. Next one is scavengers and decomposers. Some carnivorous and omnivorous eat dead animals. These are known as scavengers. Crow, jackal and hyena are some of the scavengers. Scavengers are very important for us because they help in keeping our surroundings clean. See these pictures of crow, jackal and fungi. Some other organisms feed on or destroy dead plants and animals. These organisms are called decomposers. Fungi and bacteria are example of decomposers. Next one is parasites. There are some small animals which live on or inside other animals and get their food from them. These are known as parasites. Fleas, leeches, mosquitoes and bedbugs are some of the parasites. These are some pictures of parasites. Okay, so next topic is sources of food. We get food from plants as well as animals. Food from plants. Do you know where our food come from? Most of us food come from the plants. Plants provide us different types of food such as cereals, fruits, vegetables, pulses and spices. Different parts of plants provide us different types of food. The following figure shows the different parts of plants which provide us the food. See this picture. Parts of plant. First one is roots. Portion of the plants which is hidden inside the earth make its root. They also take up water and food, nutrition from the soil. The food is kept in some roots. These roots serve as source of food for us. Carrot, turnip, radish are example of these roots. See these pictures of carrot, turnip and radish. Next part of plant is stem. A stem is main long thin part of the plant above the ground. It is a link between the plant's roots, leaves and flowers. Stems of certain plants are eaten. For example, the stem of sugarcane plant is eaten. Certain plants have underground stem that we eat. Examples are potato, onion, ginger, etc. Next part is leaves. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Leaf of spinach and cabbage are eaten in the form of curry. Lettuce and cabbage are also eaten as salad. Leaves of coriander and mint are used to make chutney. See these pictures of spinach, lettuce and coriander. Next one is flower. A flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Flower of certain plants like cauliflower, broccoli, etc. are also eaten by us. The flowers of certain plants yield spices. The clove is obtained from the flower of Syzygium plant. See these pictures of cauliflower, broccoli and cloves. Next is fruits and vegetables. Fruits are the parts of the plant in which their seeds are enclosed. A lot of fruits and vegetables are also eaten by us. For examples, apple, banana, tomato, peas, etc. See these pictures. Next one is seeds. A seed has a baby plant in it and grows into a new plant. Gram, peas, wheat, beans, etc. are seeds eaten by us. Cumin seeds, pepper and cardamom that we eat as spices are also seeds of different plants. See these pictures of wheat, peas, beans and cardamom. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious. They can be eaten raw as salads or cooked. Food from animals. Animal products like meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd are eaten by human beings. Meat. The flesh of some animals is eaten as food. Poultry, birds, fish, goats and sheep provide us meat. Some sea creatures such as shrimps, prawns, shell, fish and crabs are also eaten as rich source of protein. Egg. Hen's egg is the most common bird's egg eaten in the world. It is a rich source of protein and vitamins. Some people also eat eggs of goose and duck. Honey. Honey is produced by honeybees from the nectar of the flowers. Honeybee collect honey in beehives. Honey is a sweet food and is also used in medicines. Milk. Milk is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo and goat. It is a very nutritious food item and is a rich source of protein. Milk also contains calcium, which is required for proper bone growth and nerve functions. Next one is cheese. Cheese is made from curdled milk of cow, goat, sheep or buffalo. Cream. Cream is made by collecting the top fatty layer of the milk. Butter. Butter is made by churning fresh cream. Ghee. Ghee is made by gently heating butter and removing the solid matter. Curd. Common methods of making curd includes adding a small sample of curd in warm milk. The microorganism bacteria present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Unlike the green plants, animals cannot make their food. Animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants and other animals for food. Animal products like meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd are eaten by human beings. Now let's see an extra mile. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants and other animals for food. Next topic is food chain. Plants use the sun's energy to prepare their food. Herbivores eat these plants to obtain energy. A carnivore or omnivore eat the herbivores as its food. This feeding relationship between animals is called food chain. Thus, food chain shows the process of eating and being eaten up. It also shows the interdependence of organisms on each other. See this picture for better understanding. Plant is eaten by the goat and the goat is eaten by the lion. All food chains start with producers, that is green plants. Thus, all animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for food. Thus, a simple food chain can be given as producer, plants are eaten by the primary consumer, that is goat, and the goat is consumed by the secondary consumer, that is human or lion. Another example of a typical food chain is given below. Water plants is eaten by pond snail, whereas pond snail is eaten by fish and fish is eaten by kingfisher. Okay, we have done the chapter. Now let's revise it quickly. Reader's Digest. All living organisms need food to live and grow. Plants and animals are two main sources of food. Different animals have different feeding habits. Herbivores eat plants, carnivores eat flesh of other animals, and omnivores eat both plants and animals. Scavengers eat the dead animals and decomposers decompose the dead plants and animals. All food chains begin with producers. Okay student, we have done our chapter. Let's meet in our next class. Thank you.